As mentioned in the email, this short video will demonstrate the interaction between two web-based tools for single-syllable words. The focus will be on IC, the single vowel spelling of A, and how many sounds are associated with the vowel spelling. Likewise, the video will compare the I hear short vowel sound found in ant and how many spellings are associated with the vowel sound. First, let's make a matrix for IC, the vowel spelling of A. As illustrated in the planar tool, there are 4 sounds in a total of 371 words. As illustrated in the IC matrix, the 4 sounds are short A, ant, 339, short O, as in octopus, 28, diphthong, AW, as in saw, 1, and short U, up, 3 words. Also notice that each vowel sound is sorted by its orthographic length and CVC pattern. This allows the teacher to plan explicit lessons. Near the end of the video, I will demonstrate that any pattern can be appended into the second tool, Color the Vowels, allowing for variability and review. Let's now take a look at the matrix created by the short vowel sound in ant. As illustrated in the planar tool, there are 5 spellings in a total of 359 words. As illustrated in the I hear matrix, the 5 spellings for the short A sound are A, 339, A with consonant or consonants followed by E, 16, A followed by a consonant or consonants followed by UE, 1, AI, 1, and AU, 2. Let's put the 2 matrices side by side. Notice that the highest frequency in both matrices match. That is a significant observation to be discussed during the rendezvous session. Using either matrix, let's create a lesson using the 75 CVC words. Once that lesson is mastered, we will then introduce ending blends digraphs using the 83 words with the CVCC pattern. The third lesson will introduce blends digraphs in both the onset and coda using 81 words with the CCVCC pattern. The final lesson will append all 3 lessons into one lesson for final review and check for mastery. However, the teacher has the prerogative of doing CVC patterns for the other single vowels before introducing blends and digraphs. Okay, let's create the lesson for CVC words. We click on the 75, scroll down, and click on the copy for color vowels. And we open up our color vowels. Show input, and paste. Now that we have pasted the first lesson of CVC words into Color the Vowels, let's review the scaffolding flexibility of the tool. Once the word list is pasted into the tool, click Refresh 5x5 to randomly populate the 5x5 matrix, first with just a single word in each cell. The first activity is to identify the vowels, such as dot or circle the vowels in row 1. The teacher can pause and discuss the skill if needed. The teacher will then use the row's green arrow to provide a confirmation. In this case, did the marking of the vowels match the now yellow coloring of the vowels orthography? Again, pause to discuss. Before advancing, the teacher may ask, what is the vowel sound in each word, and/or say the word. Again, using the rose-green arrow, scaffolding information is presented, including the ability to show or hide the sounds infographic. When ready, the teacher can advance to the next row and repeat the teaching process. As illustrated, the teacher is in total control of the lesson's progression and level of scaffolding. Once a 5x5 matrix instruction is completed, the teacher has the option to refresh the matrix with a new sample taken from the original list of words selected. Now let's quickly build lesson number 2, introducing the final blends digraphs, and then lesson 3 with blends digraphs in both the onset and coda. So we already have the CVC. Let's build the CVCC. Refresh. Show input. Paste. And now you can see the blend or digraph in the coda. Okay, let's build the next pattern. This time we want the blend and digraphs in both the onset and coda. We refresh to clear out the last lesson. Paste the new lesson. Refresh, and now we have blends and digraphs both in the code onset and the coda. Okay, now what we want to do is build a final review. So we've got the blend and digraphs both in the beginning and ending. Let's go back and add back in our CVC. Again, this is to build review of the 3 lessons together. We show the input. Okay, you can see the CCVC. Go down to the last line. Paste the CVC. And now we want to add lesson number 2 again. Of the 83. This time we do not want to clear, we want to add append. So we paste, refresh. Now we have single. We've got blend and digraphs in both the beginning and the end, and here just at the end. So you can see you can mix and match and do a review of multiple lessons. Thank you for watching this short video of using the planner and the color of the vowels to make explicit lessons looking at vowel patterns, vowel spellings. I would especially appreciate your thoughts on 3 questions. Is the instructional purpose clear? Does the teacher workflow feel natural? And 3, at any point, did you become confused or wonder what happens next. Again, thank you for watching.